Hey there! So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have here. Our challenge revolves around dodging labels on a graph using geometrical_text_repel. The issue seems to be that nudge_x and nudge_y are not playing nice with position_dodge 0.3. And even using position_dodge 0.3 directly on the labels is not yielding the desired result. Now, onto the solution. The key to solving this dodging dilemma is to add group equals grade to the mapping for geometrical_text_repel. By simply including this addition, the label should dodge properly in a line with the corresponding data points on the graph. It's like magic, but with code. In the code snippet provided, the crucial part to focus on is the specific configuration for geometrical_text_repel. By including AES, label equals node, group equals grade, within the function call, you ensure that the labels are dodged appropriately based on the grade grouping. This adjustment should resolve the dodging issue you've been grappling with. To wrap it up, we've successfully addressed the dodging problem on our graph by incorporating group equals grade into the geometry_text_repel mapping. With this tweak, the labels should now behave as expected, neatly dodging and aligning with their corresponding data points. Voilà! Problem solved. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. See you next time.